This video will cover the management, development, promotion, and financial aspects of an eye bank. Eye banking involves collecting, preserving, evaluating, and distributing donor eyes. This process is crucial for corneal transplantation, which helps restore vision and prevents corneal blindness. The objectives of eye banking include promoting donation awareness, ensuring quality corneal tissue, supporting transplant services, reducing avoidable blindness, and maintaining ethical and legal standards. Key functions of an eye bank are donor screening and consent, retrieval, preservation, evaluation, distribution to transplant centers, and meticulous record keeping. Eye bank management includes the organizational management structure, led by the medical director and eye bank manager, supported by ophthalmologists, technicians, counselors, and support staff. Operational management requires a 24/7 retrieval system, strict standard operating procedures, infection control, quality assurance, audits, and compliance with regulatory bodies. Human resource management focuses on training technicians, providing grief counselors for donor families, continuous skill development, performance evaluation, and fostering motivation and teamwork. Developing eye banking services includes establishing new banks, implementing the Hospital Cornea Retrieval Program, or HCRP, upgrading preservation techniques, adopting modern equipment, and prioritizing research and innovation. Infrastructure development involves sterile retrieval kits, a dedicated eye bank laboratory, appropriate preservation media like MK and Optisol GS, a specular microscope, and reliable cold storage facilities. Promotion of eye banking relies on public awareness campaigns, eye donation pledge drives, media involvement, special events like Eye Donation Fortnight, and community participation. Grief counseling is vital for sensitively approaching families, explaining the benefits of eye donation, obtaining informed consent, increasing donation rates, and providing emotional support. Legal and ethical aspects are governed by acts like the Transplantation of Human Organs Act, requiring proper consent documentation, donor confidentiality, ethical tissue use, and transparent reporting. Financial management encompasses budget planning, cost control measures, effective resource allocation, ensuring financial transparency, and developing sustainability plans. Sources of funding include government grants, hospital funding, contributions from NGOs and trusts, corporate social responsibility funds, donations, and sponsorships. Eye banking expenditures cover staff salaries, equipment and maintenance, preservation media, awareness programs, and investments in training and research. Cost-effective strategies include hospital-based retrieval, sharing resources, volunteer involvement, efficient inventory management, and fostering public-private partnerships. Challenges in eye banking include low donation awareness, cultural and religious myths, limited trained manpower, financial constraints, and logistics issues in rural areas. Future prospects involve advanced preservation methods, increased public participation, digital donor registries, artificial cornea research, and stronger national and international collaboration. Thank you for watching this video on the eye bank.